Welcome students. Let's continue our previous class, that is problems from rate of change of quantities. So here is your first problem. The radius of an air bubble, that is the shape of the bubble is spherical, is increasing at a rate of 1/2 centimeter per second. So rate of increasing of radius. So if r be the radius, then dr dt is given 1/2 centimeter per second. Now you need to find the rate of change of volume of the bubble increasing when radius is 1 centimeter. That means you need to find dv dt for r is equal to 1. So for a sphere, what is the volume? 4/3 pi r cube. So differentiate this both sides with respect to t. So dv dt is 4/3 pi r cube means 3r square into dr dt. Now you have the value of dr dt. So that will come 4 pi r square into half. 2 and 4 again cancel. That means 2 pi r square. Now put the value of r into this dv dt. So dv dt at r is equal to 1. That's only I need to find. dv dt for r is equal to 1. That means 2 pi centimeter cube per second. Here is the solution. You can check. So moving to the next problem. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. So this is the equation of the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. And it is given that y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Y coordinate is changing definitely with time 8 times of as fast as the x coordinate. So 8 times of change in x coordinate. These two information I have. Now I need to find the point on the curve at which dy dx is 8 into dx dt. So our work is to find these points. So here is the curve. So differentiate this both sides with respect to 2. That is 6 dy dt is equal to 3x square dx dt plus 0. Since differentiation of a constant is 0. Now you have the relation of dy dt and dx dt. So put the relation. That means 6 into 8 dx dt minus 3x square dx dt is equal to 0. Since dx dt is non-zero, since here it is given, they are changing with respect to time. So dx dt is non-zero. Since x is not constant, x is changing continuously. So if dx dt is non-zero, then from here you can find x square minus 16 is 0. So for x square is 16, then x is equal to plus minus 4. So for x is equal to 4, let's check the value of y. This is 11. And for x is equal to minus 4, the value of y is minus 31 upon 3. So here is the points 4, 11 and minus 4, 31. So here is the solution and here is your required points. So check this out. Moving to the next problem. The water is leaking from a canonical funnel at the rate of 5 centimeter cube per second. That means dv dt is equal to 5 centimeter cube per second. Since it is decreasing, so here I am taking minus 5 centimeter cube per second. Where the radius of the base is 5 and height of the funnel is 10. So this distance is 5 and this height is 10 centimeter. Now find the rate at which the water level is dropping. That means the height is changing at which rate when it is 2.5 centimeters from the top. That means if this is the water level, then this distance is given 2.5 centimeter. At this time we need to find what is dH dt. Now for V, what is V? For a conic, that is 1/3 pi r square h. And from this triangle OCD and OAB, you can find the relation between r and h, that is r is equal to h upon 2. Now V is 1/3 pi r square h. So what is dV dt? dV dt is d dt of 1 by 12 pi h cube. Put the value of r here. So 1 by 12. So if I find the derivative, that means pi 3h square dh dt. I have this value dV dt. So put the value and find the value of dH dt. Here it is minus 20 by pi h square. Now you need to find this dH dt for h is equal to 10 minus 2.5. Since it is 2.5 centimeter from the top, the water level is 2.5 centimeter from the top. So when the height is 10 minus 2.5, that is 7.5, that time you need to find dH dt. So here is your answer. So check the solution. So here is the next problem. Same type of problem. A sand is pouring from the pipe at a rate of this. That means rate of change of volume, that is dV dt, is given 12 centimeter cube per second. Now you need to find this dH dt, that is the change of height, the rate of change of height increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. And here is also this sand is forming a cone. So for V is 1/3 pi r square h. There is the relation is given between r and h, that is the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. That means h is equal to r upon 6. Here is the solution, r is 6h. So put the value here. So that will be 12 pi h cube. Now find the differentiation with respect to t. So that will be 36 pi h square dH dt. Now what you need to find? You need to find dH dt when dV dt is given 12. So what is dH dt? 1 by 3 pi h square. Now here h is given 4 centimeter. So what is dh dt? For h is equal to 4. So your answer is 1 upon 48 pi centimeter per second. Here is the solution. You can check. Next is marginal cost. What is marginal cost? If CV the total cost of any product that is producing it and marketing it, after it this CV the total cost of this X unit, then the marginal cost is represented by rate of this marginal cost, that is dC upon dx is the marginal cost. So here the total cost is of producing X items in a form is given Cx is equal to this. That is, the total cost is given. You need to find the marginal cost when this X is 4 unit. So C is given 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 6000. Now find the derivative of C with respect to X. Since marginal cost is dC dx. So that means it will be 0.005 into 3x square minus 0.02 into 2x plus 30. Now put the value here that dC dx for x is equal to 4. So here is the solution. Check the solution and your answer. And another is marginal revenue. That is the rate of change of total revenue with respect to the quantity. That is, if the total revenue is R, then dR dx is the marginal revenue. So here R is given and you need to find the marginal revenue when x is equal to 5. Just find the derivative of R with respect to x. Here R is given 3x square plus 40x plus 10. So what is dR dx? 6x plus 40. Now you need to find dR dx for x is equal to 5. So for x is equal to 5, put the value of 5 here. That is 6 into 5 plus 40. That means 70. Here is the answer. 70 rupees is the marginal revenue. If any problem and any doubt is there, you are free to ask. Thank you.